Potaroma cat toys, 3-in-1 smart interactive electronic kitten toy, fluttering butterfly, random moving ambush feather, catnip bell trackballs, dual power supplies, indoor exercise cat kicker. Hooting feather from random holes, flying butterfly and balls in the track. The fluffy feather keeps hiding and popping out from random holes. Unpredictable movement stimulates cats to swat and play like a whack-a-mole game. Lifelike butterfly that flaps around in the air like real easily prompts cats to pounce and bat. The 4 balls, which you can put in the track, add extra fun when cats stick their claws into the track and bat the balls. DAYHAP cat toy indoor for cats, interactive cat toy, kitten toys for indoor cats, multifunction cat toy with trackball and feather, cat supplies suitable as a birthday gift. Multifunctional fun cat toy, this is an interactive cat toy for indoor cats, combining twirling cat stick, large cat mint ball and transparent cat hole and other funs. The interactive cat toy for indoor can better attract the cat's interest in playing. Cat face funny kitten toys, the cat toy indoor comes with 7 balls and 1 big feather extra. Put the cat toy ball into the transparent shell, and there are cat holes of different sizes. Through which the cat can play with the balls and feathers in the shell. Owners can also place treats, jerky, and other plush toys into transparent shell.